Nice.
That fanny pack looks great. Good.
Lean back.
Excellent.
Okay. Do I get
Ready?
to go? I'm ready.
Go.
Okay, go. Did you spin? Not expecting that.
How was that, Courtney?
I felt like I was bungee jumping.
Yeah.
Oh. We just finished zip lining and now we're gonna head down to the beach, which they said we have to walk down to or take a shuttle. So we're gonna try the walk down, see how that goes. These are the little villas that we're staying in. And then there's an infinity pool up there and the restaurant. It's great, big property. Hey Hashi.
Hi.
Having fun?
Having a great time.
What'd you think about the zip lining?
It was lots of fun. Exciting.
All right, let's head down to the beach. We found a little swinging chair on the way down to the beach in this little hut. We'll have to come back. Okay. So where did we end up?
Up here.
And where were we supposed to be?
Down here.
How did we do that? This guy, when we said beach this way, he must have been like, what, are you crazy?
Yeah.
Oh my God. So we finally made it. Thank God we ran into that van. And it's pretty down here. I think next time we'll just take a shuttle because obviously that did not work very well. Yeah.
It's pretty down here.
The park is still burning. For this one, we need one shot.
It's in here?
Exactly.
Okay.
Wait. One shot of simple syrup, what basically is equal parts on boiled water and ground sugar. Honeymoon. And one shot of lime juice. ¿Sí? Yo te lo hago ahorita.
Okay.
¿Listo? Perfecto. I have to explain something. Because this one is a Boston shaker.
Okay.
When you finish, don't try to open.
You will.
I let you know how to do it. Because that keeps air inside. So one on the front, one on the back. Perfect. And you can put it over your shoulder and a little more. Strong.
Nice. Yeah. Tom Cruise over here.
Yep.
Can I throw in cups?
That's
okay.
Good. Yeah. This one keeps air. Well, this one not too much. But when that happens, you have to just like hit it
Take it
to this part and then
seal.
open it. Yeah.
Got it.
Exactly. Okay.
You called it what, a Boston shaker?
If you said, yeah, Boston shaker.
It's called, we used to be used on this shaker. There basically is two. It's like what is mine?
It's one slightly.
Wow, you're doing pretty good. No spilling.
Precious stuff.
Yeah.
Enough for 2.5. I sold it up too much.
You can make one more.
I'll throw a sparkling wine, please. What do you want?
I was sparkling.
2 sparkling wine.
For you? That one?
Here to watch the sunset. It's quite the view up here.
Yeah.
Hi, Chiquita. Oh, what a good girl. What a good girl.
Chiquita.
Oh, there's one.
Yeah. And how big do the families or packs usually stay together?
You enjoying the vacation?
I'm totally enjoying the vacation.
You relax?
I am.
What was your favorite thing so far?
The sunset was great.
Oh, that was good. And the zip lining was pretty awesome.
Yes, that was awesome too. It's so great. Every day's been great.
It's a little bit of a hike to get down to the beach, but it's worth it once you're here. Maybe we'll explore the caves. Knowing us, we get lost though and get stuck. at high tide. Drink time?
Drink time.
Con Sonia. Sonia is a very nice person.
Aw.
And enjoy.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome.
Muchas gracias.
Primero, por favor, lavarse las manos.
Oh, wash your hands.
The fire smells good.
Good burning fire.
For me, it's not about the birds. Oh, you guys went there. The birds that go in the termite in the house. I did not expect that.
It's like the large grain.
So all you missed,
Sugar.
They boiled hot water and they poured the hot water into like their
The coffee.
That's like the coffee, like that's what, like dripping. That's all you missed so far. Yeah, it's just it's there.
Esta es crema de leche. Como
Oh,
una tibia, sí. Igual, una para
I
cada.
thought it was mayo. Creme de leche is much better. I really thought it was mayo. I was like, I'm not going to eat that. And lots of butter. Oh, we're keep going. 3.
It's the theme of the recipe.
So it's all equal parts.
I mean, except it's 1 cup of flour.
No, it was 100 for one person, 200 for 2.
Vamos a amasar.
Mix. Oh. Just get right in there. She's like a master at kneading.
No, it went to waste. Remember that cooking class we did in Vietnam?
Yeah.
Pretty soon. I need to find like what bar do I know here that I could just pull in real quick and ask them if I could charge.
Ooh, I get a green one.
Vamos haciendo un círculo. One circle, sí.
I think you just flatten it, right? That looks good.
Así. Puede ser así.
Uh,
Sí.
you get an A+, Hisham.
You don't have to. Just saying that
Right.
we learned that we can't high five it.
That was good.
Oh, you guys thought you were the best.
You.
I think mine looks pretty
Yours looks great.
very nice.
Miguel, de Restaurant Ramiro. No, Restaurant Ramiro is Christ, Miguel.
Oh, isn't that Miguel? This is so nice. You know I want one of these cups. I like everything mini. I want a mini cup. All right, what do you think? Costa Rican coffee.
Wow, it's really good.
Is it? Is it bitter?
No, it's not too hot, so you can actually taste it. It's not.
Because she let it sit for a
It's
little
not
bit
like a scalding
too.
cup of coffee, so you can actually taste it.
Oh, so it's not like Panera. You're like, I'll drink this in 6 hours.
Yeah. I'll get this now, and by lunchtime,
Arepas. What does it taste like?
This tastes like a, gracias. This tastes like a pancake with or like a scone. Yeah, it's got,
Like a pancake scone? Muffin?
yeah, it's like a muffin top. So we toast a muffin top.
on our way to dinner at the beach. They said there's gonna be a performance. Oh, I see the little girls. Oh, this is so exciting. Look at how pretty it is. Oh, it's so pretty.
They have a band in the buffet over there.
Aw.
There's the they're all dressed as Miracle.
It's great. I love it. It's amazing.
No, you don't have any? You have the Santa Margarita? Yeah. Okay, we'll take a bottle of Santa Margarita.
Peninsula. So the name of the little guys is raíces ticas, which mean like native of Costa Rica and things that we don't want to get missing like this. Turno basically means when you invite somebody else from the towns nearby, get together, have a couple drinks, share some food, like really touches from Costa Rica and touches from this area. So we are hoping you're enjoying this. Well, the only thing we miss right now is to bring raíces ticas for every one of you. So please, a huge applause to get these little ones. Woo!
So we got a boat today to take us out, but we have no idea how we're getting on the boat. I don't know what Hisham's doing. Is he going to walk out to the boat? This is hysterical. What is he doing? The boat backed up. We're gonna get on it. Hoping for the best. Hoping to see some dolphins.
Woo!
Here we go.
Corny,
Boat day.
Corny, what day is it?
Boat day. I'm gonna ride a dolphin.
No, no, you're not.
All right, my friends, good morning.
Good morning.
How are you today?
Wonderful.
Good?
Hey! Are we on our way?
Yes, we are.
Boat day, boat day! Woo!
So excited. I hope we see dolphins, whales, turtles,
And stingrays.
stingrays.
And And gorillas, not gorillas.
If not, I promise you I will do a flip into the water.
I don't know, there's not much space for you.
Off the top.
All right, we're on the stakeout for the humpback whale. We can hear it really loud. Hear it?
Oh, there it is. I see it. I see it.
He's about to come, here he goes.
Oh my God, those are the fins.
Oh my God, bring the tail up. Yes!
Woo!
It's gotta come up.
There it is. Oh, come on. Oh, wow.
Woo! That was amazing.
This is the life.
This is the life. We saw the whale a bunch of times. I don't know what else could be better than that.
On this nice boat.
Ah,
Some nice friends.
we're not coming back. Well,
Awesome.
maybe we will.
Well, maybe not.
I do love our kids.
Yeah. Love you. Go.
I took the wrong way.
Oh!
1, 2, and 3.
That was much better.
She's a big giant cannonball. We're gonna have the water level's gonna go down about 2 feet.
Die.
Oh, shit! That was bigger than the whale. Right back, and this is for Samantha. That house is owned by the coach of Real Madrid soccer team. Beautiful.
The space of the menu for tonight. So pretty much it's a chicken grilled breast that we marinated with roasted garlic, a little bit of season, and achote. Achote is a bread paste that I always tell everyone that it looks like peanut buttery, the consistency, but it has the qualities of saffron. So it's pretty yummy. It adds color and flavor to our food. And the rub sauce that is very, very good is salted onions with cream, organic mustard seeds, and roasted bell pepper. Wow. With a little knob of butter that it goes. Oh wow, that's the sausage taco. Pretty much a soft corn tortilla with the deep fried sausage and the 3 toppings: the beans, cheese, and the coleslaw with the aioli mayonnaise and fresh squeezed lime on top.
Perfect.
And the black bean soup, my mom's recipe.
Go down.
We're gonna try to do horseback riding. Maybe I'll walk down there.
What are the chances right now of you getting on a horse?
Getting on the horse, 100%. Staying on the horse, 5%.
I'm giving you more like 20%. I think you'll do it.
We'll see. I may get off voluntarily very quickly.
You've made the first step. You have gotten down to the stables. They don't look so scary. They're not as big as the ones in Mexico.
VMware is basically take a PC and it makes it like multiple.
I don't know. I think you're gonna be okay.
This makes it like
April? Yeah. She was good? She's good.
Okay, this is April.
one of the fun ones I did. is
She's pretty.
I actually didn't buy things. There was a Collision Zero and the development machine stayed down for 9 minutes. The board broke and the vendor couldn't find another one, then couldn't get it.
Okay.
Right. I'll just bring it back up. And I said, guys, you know I could have had that. I said, no. I said, give me your disc. So the FTP to over to
How you feeling?
the
It's not gonna work already? How can you tell?
I'm gonna get off.
You're doing it.
I know, he's rocking it.
So proud of you. Me and Mosquito are leading the pack. Doing such a good job. We'll ride in the woods. Good job. Good job. Good job, Hisham. What are you doing? For your fear?
I did.
You made friends with April?
I did.
Good job, April. We did it. They're so pretty. Our last lunch on the beach. Maybe I'll try surfing. It's getting a little bit more rough. How are your wings?
Good.
You having a good time?
Are you having a good time?
I'm having a great time.
You should do your surfing.
Sam. Time to go back to reality. Our kiddos, lucky,